Ekenekwa m gị, kenekwa onye ọbụla ndị Igbo na-ege m ntị. Asị m na ọ ya dịla onye ọbụla na mma, sị na ọ ya dịla onye ukwu na mma, dịla onye nta na mma. Mana ọ nwere ihe nchele ikwu for all these 2 days kịta na-etere unu nwa ha ma ijizi ike abata because I'm busy. But when it comes to defending the body of Christ, okay, for mwa ayi ebu ya n'isi, who ha ayi defend this body of Christ, buo ya n'isi. For the national ndị ụka hapụ na you, and I'm also sending this message to everybody. If you want to be a Zion member, be a Zion member. If you want to be a Christian, be a Christian. Ịgbagharịzi n'aka onye ala ka atụrụ na nwụrụ onye nche. Nyotago. Ịgbagharịzi n'aka atụrụ na nwụrụ onye nche. Kwulu ofu ebe, bụrụ ife ọchị, chakụlụ ọchị, ife oji kwuru oji. Everything happens in times and seasons, and everything is bound to face trials and temptation. Ibule Zion member. Isolu bloggers na comment ihe na adịghị anya. Ịpụta Facebook i pretend ya ka ọ ezigbo mmadụ. Ịba na Instagram comment ebe na attack Zion ministry. You comment there. Tomorrow ịpụta na say why are others receiving blessing and you are not receiving blessing? You think that God is unjust? God is never unjust. Now let me tell you a scenario that happened in the Bible before we jump into ihe men over the weekend. Before we jump into me. Elisha batambo mgbe gbajiri dololo ya. Woman nyere ya aka. Eshina might woman nyechale Elisha aka. Imago nyechale aka imago entertain chaya make sure that Elisha felt well. Or say again. Along the line, then the servant of Elisha baby meet and say, "Na master." Na nwanyị anu nwana kwa ebe ahụ ime na esili ike na ọmụ kwa Elisha we say what? We say what? Nwanyị meliona say according to the time of life. That was when that proclamation came, and he decreed according to the time of life. Go and check very well. The time of life about 9 months. According to the time of life, just like nobody can predict. And we have natural equal, but let us just leave it like that. The time of life is not over 9 months. Say according to the time of life. Let I go. So you verify my phone and that woman told me getting testimony with instant solution. Like that is why I keep saying, and no matter how I keep making this reference, no matter how a man day, God does not reveal everything to his sons and daughters and to his servants. Oma reveal everything in Zion ministry believe in the slogan of Jesus of Ocharafancha, not evangelist Ebukobi of Ocharafancha. Nobody sees everything, and God is the only seer. He sees everything, he knows everything, and he's everywhere. That is why he's called omnipotent, omnipresence God. Yotago. So why are you people making problem out of nothing? And I feel so very bad and disappointed for the Igbo. Most of all this our Igbo Eastern content creators. So that na apu wale kugo mi adisi yana. Obu na to be rufu wenye ngadire sama mmari. Man, they are putting hand and pastor's advice. Man, there's somebody that even your family people did not even recognize you. What did he be? Did not even value you. Does not even value you at all. It's in the pastor's advice, in the church leader's advice, in a preacher and the church leader. People that are matters to the society don't even value you. About men of God. Is it the fault of evangelist Ebukobi? Unafuka post to video proof that shows that this girl actually lied to people. This girl this girl defamed a huge ministry like a Zion ministry. Chineke na ya onye obuna okuputa say pastor you allow this girl have done the attorney and where is the love you are preaching. Chineke na ya onye ahụ okumbo yeseti. Once that time ipatasi in the church, in the oka, na ekwese tampa mercy. What is the forgiveness you are preaching? Chuku ya po generation go. Abumono akwese dele that girl for what she did will be transferred to your family and to your generation yet unborn. Because all no abuso cast beniku sinka ozo. Many people are seeing video that how this girl orchestrated this act. This is a well planned and calculated job. A well-planned, calculated job. Mother pata nyondo nafo kwete kwana ke receive mother ebia. And you people are very and you push the agenda. ni push the agenda makuno for evangelist Ebuko nekwa ndị dibia mechala arrest for the past 2 weeks no nanga. None of you are scared to make post about them. You know na clamor for their release. None of you known do not focus on atrocities and evil these people are committing. You know do not for propaganda up and down. Till tomorrow, Zion ministry, I'm still believing God of coming. But when it comes to Zion ministry, I love Evangelist Ebukobi and I love Zion ministry. If other Yoruba prominent prophets are speaking now, so no, happen this young man, and this man is a man of God. Say happen ya. When they buy, thank God for Zion ministry. If not, thank God for the God of the backing of the ministry. If not, destroy that man. Because you're going to wait on Tibwe Zobwe, and you know the VAT, or you know the company, you know the company ready color. Unu bidon with go from somebody. Unu na dem with una dale ridicule. Nekunu see if you people can ridicule akwa okoko. If you people can ridicule and destroy akwa okoko because of an agreement non balinime. Kedu hu na ama mmenwu. Gwakene mi ya hu na ama mmenwu. If people dey busy na ridicule akwa. Mande na eku ke na lujuro ni afopta na akwa okwu. These are the people that all of you, the 20, all this Eastern Cotton, the 20, Akoko has fed 19 of you people. If not for anything, most people come out and destroy him. Buru kwesiri nya advice unenya dada work it on ime una say o kweskwani de nele chofi hebido chofi mana mgbai na tinkusi unu that bitter asa hu unu bidolo kedi isi ya. Must everything be mmanya, must everything be hotel. Kita kwunu man obrozi all those things that it doesn't count. Ni he count on he kwesili email for the society. Kita kwunu man ka. And I keep repeating this thing. For all of you, say this propaganda against Evangelist Ebukobi. Omero nizo, omero nwa because now this world is a farm. If it's a farm, everybody must receive his or her harvest. His or her harvest. Nelon watakere nkozo sino obu nwe kwensu. Mother send the hologi message. Send the hologi message. About that day that you make in pay your inbox of the first message for all message that related with Evangelist Ebukobi. Chineke ya kponu ni n'oku. Chineke ya kponu ni n'oku. All these people no ha like eziokwu. How is this thing become the fault of Evangelist Ebukobi? Keko sibulu fault here. Keko sibulu fault of the ministry. Now mother be asking, okay, where is the proof? You will tell the church proof that this thing actually happened. That this event actually happened. You will tell the proof. Go see her. I don't know. He go see bro lie. You need to be arrested and be persecuted. Number 1 for defamation. Number 2 you lied. Number 3 you cheated. Number 4 you showed a property that is not yours. Obolo stealing by trick. So I want to see this thing gets to the root. Okwesili onye meti ihe ojijenga ojenga yotago onye meti ojijenga ojenga because even during the time of Jesus, John the Baptist meteli ihe ojijenga, he went to nga and he was there thinking that Jesus is but that is why as time goes on he asked that question on us, say, are you still the Messiah or should we expect another? Because he was expecting that Jesus go because of that ebuba homewell mbomele baptism. And the dove came down and said, this is my beloved son in whom I well pleased. He was expecting Jesus to use his power to come and free him at that place on. That was why he sent him and said, are you still the Messiah or should we expect another? Jesus says, we are not child that message. He couldn't say anything about it. Manihogwa Hasana, the greatest among you beginning, beloved. You people should be very, very careful on what you do on the social media. Very, very careful. God, you know.